KO.
Man.
What you think, KO, man? Things looking good, man. Talk to me, man.
1,000%.
Tell them what Radford Homes doing, man.
It's not even done, and it's already 1,000% better than what it was.
Y'all hear the smooth brother right here? This is my brother right here, man. And he used to live here, and he said it's 1,000% better, and it ain't even done.
It's not even done.
Folks, y'all better look. Y'all better look. Y'all better look. Look at them new windows. Oh, we got new windows.
You want me to?
Oh, man. Oh, look at those LED lights. Oh, man. Thanks to Jason and Thunder Electric with the LED lighting. Oh, don't forget about Curtis and Henry with the crown molding. And the drywall. Brand new windows. Up to code. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, she's the other half. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we are making things happen here in the newly remodeled, renovated home that will be available on May 5th at the open house.
If you need,
that's right.
You can pull those lights down. They'll just, they should just pull down on you.
You just pull it down?
Yeah. Yep, go ahead.
Oh man, did you come back here, KO, and see my main man? Aaron ain't playing. Man, these boys bad, man. They make me look good, man.
Yo.
Aaron is a veteran as well, man. Best believe it. He's a Navy man. He's one of them Navy man. You see that tile, man? That's 18-inch tiles, KO. 18-inch.
Just look at my face.
Come in here. All brand new doors. Every door in the house is brand new, and it has knockdown on throughout the entire home. Brand new doors. This AC is gone. We're not having that. We already put the AC duct.
Listen, social media. Check out Radford Homes. You won't be disappointed. I promise you. My man Greg and his wife, phenomenal. Phenomenal.
All
I used
right.
to live in this exact house.
Y'all heard that now. He used to live here not just 2-3 months ago now. Look in this bathroom. He got it, started knocking it down in there. Yeah, man. Got the knockdown up there. Where did we paint it, man? Oh yeah, man. We're trying to do it, man. Oh yeah. Yes. Making it happen. Hey, this guy right here is a happy camper, y'all. This guy told me he don't wait for Friday to get paychecks. He likes his paychecks on hump day. That's what he told me. He don't wait till Friday. So guess what Radford Homes did, man? We delivered the check on hump day because we want to keep the guys inspired on the job. Stayed in at 12 o'clock at night, then come back to work at 5:30 p.m. the next day. All right, y'all about to get ready to get out of here?
I think so.
All that
All
time.
right. And this is the young lady that everybody been saying, man, is she the one putting it? I said, yep, she's making it happen. Oh, what we got going on there?
Oh, trying to replace switches.
All right. Them old school switches, aren't they?
Yeah, that's meant rusted box. The box is all rusted.
Like they rusted out, don't
Yeah, I don't know how it rusted. Must have been a leak in here at one time.
they? Yeah.
It's in there though.
There we go.
I'm gonna cut that in half. But this is plus. I was gonna cut it in half. Now how you put that stuff in there?
All they do is you got these two little springs.
Uh-huh.
They just set up in there.
Okay. You got it.
But if you need, you guys can just let them hang. We'll be back tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll pull them up.
Okay.
So,
Okay, that'll work.
Just let them hang? Yeah. Hold it. Yeah, we don't want to mess with them things.
Go ahead and get both sides.
These right here, folks, are LED light. Check them out, man.
Yeah.
5-year warranty on them.
Yeah, I got it all.
We'll show you something else Radford Home does. No other contractor does.
All right, let's go check them out. You know, I got the camera. Kurt said you got to watch out with me with this camera.
Folks, I got one question for you. Do you ever get mad because you need to charge your phone, but you can't find that stupid adapter to plug in your phone into the wall?
Yeah.
I got your problem solved right there. We got a duplex outlet that has USB ports built into it. Simply take your cord, plug it in, charge your phone while you sit in bed.
Did y'all hear that? Let me say it again. Tell what they do?
USB resets. You don't need that stupid little square box that you can't find, or it's too bulky, or you got your alarm clock plugged in and you got your radio plugged in, and oh, well, which one am I going to take out so that I can charge my phone? You don't have to worry about that anymore. Plug in your cord, plug in your radio, plug in your...
So you can plug in your iPhone right in here.
That's right.
And plug in your hair blower or whatever. Right in here together.
And we don't put in a cheap quality one. This is capable of charging 2 devices at one time.
2 devices at one time.
That is correct.
Ain't that something, K? KO, you could have been charging your phone, man.
I wish I had this before.
All right, man. Now that's what's up, man. Making it happen. Making it happen. Hey, man. This is Radford Homes and Company. And we just grateful.